always happy to have our alumni what we are doing. As I have been saying over and over again, this school has a lot of stakeholders, but the alumni hold a special place. Whether we do well or we do badly, it immediately affects you. And so, whenever we get the opportunity to interact with you, to hear what you've been doing, and to get you to give back to your school, we are very happy to have you. This is supposed to be a very short welcome message. I know I will have an opportunity to say a few more words later on. So for now, I wish to welcome all of you who have come back home to celebrate with us. By the way, the School of Engineering Sciences is 23 years old. You got 1 year to prepare to get the first batch of students. So that 1 year was in existence but without students. So 22 years of students at the School of Engineering Sciences and 20 years of the Student Association. Things that persist, that endure, it normally takes people to keep them moving. And so I appreciate all of you who in one way or the other have contributed to make this possible. We are very grateful that you have come back home. We are grateful that you are still interested in making an impact in the lives of the ones who are coming after you. And so, welcome home, and I look forward to the activities of the day. Thank you very much.
Professor Chair and Dean of School of Engineering Sciences, distinguished colleagues, our esteemed alumni who have made time to join us today, leaders and members of the Engineering Students Association, students, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the 20th anniversary celebration of the Engineering Students Association of the University of Ghana. It is a great honor and a privilege to join you today to celebrate 20 years of existence as Engineering Students Association at the School of Engineering Sciences. Your anniversary coincides with my 20th anniversary with the University of Ghana. At the time I joined the university from industry, our first batch of students were in their first semester of their second year. The first batch were admitted in 2004. Now they have all matured into high-level professionals and are occupying upper management positions in their respective organizations, while some are also professors in academic institutions like here and outside the country. SES is proud of all of you for your various accomplishments and for making the school proud. The journey of ESUG started with numeric challenges. At the time, the total number of students in SES was less than 250. And that 250 is equivalent to just one department first intake. The first batch was around 35 students. Those who sacrificed to join the University of Ghana to be trained as engineers, they were about 35. I was just conferring with the dean this morning, and she confirmed it was 32. I know the number because computer engineering, we had the highest number, and it was 14. Agric engineering had about, I think, about 5 or so. Material science, it was 0. And then biomedical engineering. So these are the numbers that I computed, and we have about 35, but it's 32. The second batch, they were around 60. The whole school. But now we can talk about the numbers. You have about, sometimes you get about almost 400, 500 students. So this means that the ESUG group that started, they had challenges in numbers. But now we have so many students, more than 1,500. So I don't see why ESUG should be struggling with membership and activities. However, the founding members did not relent and push the boundaries with clear vision, and their vision to foster collaboration among the disciplines, promote innovation, champion the vision of SES, enhance the standard of engineering training to make a difference, and gain recognition as a professional body. 20 years on, we are not only reflecting on the history, but we stand on the foundation of excellence built over the years and ready to push the frontiers and engineer the future. Anniversaries such as this invite us to pause, reflect, and give thanks. They remind us that institutions are not built in a day, but are built over the years through vision, sacrifice, perseverance, and collective efforts of many people. The theme for this year's homecoming, honoring the past, engineering the future, could not be more appropriate. We honor the past not simply by remembering it, but by appreciating those whose dedication laid the foundations upon which we now stand. We honor the future for ensuring that what we build today will inspire those who come after us. Let us take a moment and honor those who paved the way in the establishment of ESUG. The founding executives, founding members, pioneering patrons, and faculty mentors who work tirelessly in diverse ways to ensure that ESUG gained roots. Your efforts, dedication, commitments have culminated into what we have today. Because of your hard work, today's students can stand without wobbling and build on what has been established. I can attest to this as chair of the SES Planning Committee, when we recently organized the 2026 DSRA event. The DSRA stands for Day of Scientific Renaissance of Africa. The current ESUG executives were able to organize the students who participated in the hackathon event with exciting solutions to real engineering problems. Let us give our alumni and the founding members of ESUG an applause. From our theme for the occasion, we have to honor the past and think about engineering the future. We celebrate the milestones of engineering training and accomplishments. We also have minds and can analyze problems, have the drive and the leadership skills, have passion for work, ability to communicate complex ideas to someone who is not an engineer, and are ready to build solutions for today's challenges. To be part of the 21st century engineers requires that your focus as engineering students must be more than just passing examinations. It must be about practical problem solving using foundational knowledge to meet the needs of society. To our current students here, you are the developers and solutions architects for the next era. The skills you are building within the schools are tools that are required to drive national development and growth. I urge you to fully embrace every academic activity, research, projects, and technical skills from the laboratory activities that you have been embarking on, which will serve you well to make real-world impact. Don't underrate the knowledge that is given to you. When this school was established, there were dreams of creating an institution that will produce engineers capable of solving real problems, advancing knowledge, and serving society with excellence. Those dreams have grown into a vibrant school whose graduates are making meaningful contributions in industry, academia, public service, and entrepreneurship, both within Ghana and beyond. The true measure of a school is not only in its buildings, its laboratories, or equipment. It is found in its people. It is found in lecturers who dedicate themselves to teaching and mentoring. It is found in technicians and administrative staff whose work often go unnoticed but is indispensable. It is found in students whose curiosity drives innovation, and in alumni whose achievements become the enduring testimony of education they received. As someone who has had the privilege of witnessing much of the growth of this school and also participated in its early development, especially the computer engineering department, I have learned that lasting institutions are built on values. Technologies evolve, research directions change, industries transform, yet integrity, intellectual curiosity, collaboration, and commitment to excellence remain timeless. To our students, I encourage you to embrace learning not as a requirement for passing and graduating, but as a long life responsibility. The engineer who remains curious will always find opportunities where others see limitations. Challenge assumptions, ask thoughtful questions, and never become satisfied with easy answers. Drive motivation from the alumni you see around you today. Derive motivations from the alumni you see around you today. They sat in the same lecture halls you are sitting now. Some of them are now leading their respective organizations, managing big projects and innovative projects as well, launching companies and startups, and shaping industry. And let me also add that we have some who are also professors and they are training and shaping directions of research. To our alumni, remember that your relationship with the school did not end on the day you graduated. The strength of any great institution is reflected in the commitment of its graduates to remain engaged. Mentor a student, support research, be part of the Dean's Adopt a Course initiative, facilitate an award scheme through your organization or your year group, create mentorship opportunities for current students, return to the school and share your experiences through seminar series. Every contribution, however small it may seem, help strengthen the foundation for the next generation. I urge you to consider the following. Strengthen the Alumni Association and have a strong voice in the school to influence curricula to reflect industry strength. This is one of my passions that I want to emphasize again. Please, the alumni, you have to strengthen yourselves. Build a strong union and make an impact on the activities of the school. The Dean has been making conscious effort to reach out. The last time I was at such a meeting, and the number of alumni, looking at the number we have produced, over 1,000, and the number was woeful. And I know there are some who are in very high positions now in industry. Please organize yourself. If the school is making progress, your value increases. So please organize yourself and make sure that you make impact on activities of the school. We would be happy if you come and say, well, we have seen that the way technology is going, some of the courses that are being taught, we think we should be revised to do this and that and that. And then they will be happy to accept this, and then we make changes. Because once the changes are there, we will grow. My second thought to alumni, various members of year groups to organize themselves to support the logistical needs of the departments to help with the training of students. I know again that some of you are in very high positions. Currently, the university has challenges with funds. I don't know, maybe the dean will be the better person to tell you some of these things. Now, we know that some of you are trying, and I've seen certain things that have been done. But I would encourage you, if agric engineering, for example, some of you will come together, year groups will come together, even getting a laptop or 2 laptops that we should use it to support the activities of the department. It will be credited to that year group. Many of you are all doing a lot of good work in your senior high schools. Senior high schools, many of you are doing a lot of good work. But when it comes to the university, it's a different area. So we would encourage you, the alumni, to do this for us. The dean's office is trying to put smart boards in all the lecture halls. We still have challenges. I don't know, Madam Dean, how much is the cost of a smart board? 8,000 Ghana cedis. If we take 1 year group, computer engineering, that's where I belong. One of the year group, they were about 90. 8,000, donating an electronic board in the electronics lab or the Huawei lab, that we can say this was donated by this year group, and then they will be happy to receive and then make publicity out of it. There are a lot of things you can do to support initiatives of the school. My last point for the alumni is initiate an annual event. I'm encouraging the alumni to initiate an annual event dubbed Alumni Day. Annual event, and it can be put on the School of Engineering's calendar. And on that day, you can interact with students, interact with staff, and I also encourage that you can even bring on the industrial partners of the school and make a big event out of this every year. Once we institute this, it becomes an annual event. You can call it whatever you want, but I would encourage that if it is possible, do this so that will make the association grow much stronger. And the last one, develop an outlook for the next 5 years to guide the alumni community. Many of you are those who have 20 years ago. Now, if you look at it, the first batch graduated 2004. 2008, sorry. The first batch, they came in 2004, so 2008. How many years now? Many of them are in good positions. And they have gone through management training programs. You can come together and develop I don't want to call it a strategic plan, but have an outlook for the next 5 years, how you want the Alumni Association to be. And once you establish this, subsequent alumni leadership will take over, will come and pick from you, and they will keep revising along the way. When we go to Harvard and Stanford and all those things, the alumni is strong because they have things like this. So we encourage you to also champion things like that. Now to the ESUG executive, the past, present, and patrons, I commend you for your achievements, your unwavering commitment and dedication to build a strong and vibrant community of student engineers. You have supported the school in diverse ways through the contribution of your members. I'm aware of your recent donation of a public address system to the school, which came in handy. There were times that we have to organize, because I'm the chair of the SES planning committee. We have to organize events. We don't have a PA system. The school didn't have a PA system. and we have to sometimes go to the public affairs. And the last one that we had, they directed us to the university hospital. So this is, and the following year, I was happy the dean told me that ESUG has donated. Please, let's show a round of applause to the ESUG for So I thank you for that great gesture, and others that I'm not aware of. I would urge you to also consider the following. Organize educational field trips, either once a semester or once a year, to augment the training that the departments offer. I know in other institutions that a lot of the student body, they organize such trips. They take it upon themselves as a responsibility. The field trips, not just sightseeing, but educational trips. So if we can do this once a year, that would also help the training process. Also, institute an event that Engineering Day. I'm also encouraging that you have something called Engineering Day. And on that day, you showcase the activities of what your products have done. Let it be on the calendar. Since the day is here, I will please plead on your indulgence. One of the challenges that we have seen is that I was just telling one of the past students, when business school is organizing a program, a week program, the whole place is jammed. No lectures, everybody is there. But when engineering is organizing a program, this morning when I came here, nobody was here. I'm told, people said they have lectures, they are going for lectures. Madam Dean, please, if it is possible, when they have such a program, let's encourage and block that 1 week. So that at least this is the only way they can show visibility of things that they are doing. Now, alumni again. My last one on alumni, please also try and also institute what we call community-based projects. When we started early years, we had what we call community-based projects. That all the various departments, they come together. It was led by one of our former colleagues, he's passed on from the US, Professor Steve Mecca. So we're doing this community-based project. I remember students have to go and then do charcoal production and then about using agricultural waste. They did different things. And they recommended this strongly to us. So we did it for a while and then it just stopped. I would prefer that if ESUG takes it up as a student-driven activity, it will help. So that we can, that is where you are making impact. You can identify a particular community and you solicit for support from industry. And of course, we will help you to create sustainable solutions. Our work ultimately serves humanity. Technical competence is essential, but it must always be accompanied by integrity, humility, and genuine desire to make a positive difference. As we celebrate this milestone, let us resist the temptation to see 20 years as a destination. Instead, let us see it as the foundation for the next chapter. The challenges before us are different from those of 20 years ago. So are the opportunities. If we continue to uphold high standards, embrace collaboration, push boundaries, and nurture a culture of excellence, the future of the School of Engineering Sciences will even be more remarkable than its past. Let us honor those who came before us by building wisely for those who will come after us. Every generation inherits an institution. Our responsibility is to leave it stronger than we found it. Congratulations to ESUG. Congratulations to the School of Engineering Sciences. Congratulations to faculty who have continued to support the association. And congratulations to the alumni on this significant milestone. May the years ahead bring even greater achievements, deeper collaborations, and lasting impact for our nation, Ghana. our continent, and the world. Thank you, and may God bless the School of Engineering Sciences, the University of Ghana, the Alumni Association, and I wish you a happy 20th anniversary. Thank
you. Your correction, your rebuke, the funny stories you've been telling us, every single thing. We just want to say a big thank you. And so without much further ado, I'd like to invite Gladys to bring the citation for us to present to Professor Mills. And we're going to ask the Dean to do this presentation. But before we do that, I'd like to read the citation. I believe you all want to know what we have there.
Okay. A citation of honor to Professor Godfrey. On the occasion of the 20th anniversary of the School of Engineering Sciences, we, the alumni of the school, are privileged to honor you with profound gratitude and admiration. For decades, your life has been woven in the story of the school. Through your unwavering dedication to teaching, course advising, project supervision, and mentorship, you have shaped not only the education of countless students, but also the character of engineers they have become. You challenged us to think beyond formulas and facts. You taught us to think critically, solve problems with discipline. You expected our very best, not because perfection was easy, but because you believed excellence was worth pursuing, leaving a lasting impression on our professional lives and personal values. Your influence has reached far beyond the Department of Computer Engineering. As a teacher and mentor within the School of Engineering Sciences, you have helped build a culture of academic rigor, curiosity, service that continues to inspire generations of students. Even in retirement, your commitment to nurturing young engineers remains unwavering. Testament to the fact that this, for you, has never been merely a profession, but a lifelong calling. Today, we celebrate not only your remarkable years of service, but also the enduring legacy you have built through every student you have guided, every project you have supervised, and every life you have inspired. With heartfelt appreciation and the deepest respect, we thank you for your extraordinary contributions to the School of Engineering Sciences. Your legacy will continue to live on through the generations of engineers privileged to have learned from you, presented by the of the School of Engineering Sciences. So we invite our Honorable Dean to make the presentation.
You see that it's just we're watching you. On behalf, I present this to you. Gyan. Okay, sure. So we'd like to specially acknowledge and honor Samuel Gyan. He's not able to join us here. He's in his post, but he's not available. But his brother is here, and he has a message for us. So I think we're going to put through a call. And so can the audio team or the media team help us connect to him so we can hear what he has to tell us? He's a very special person. I think he was the first, correct me, first ESUG president, right? Yes, I remember when he used to come around trying to collaborate with all the departments and then to get something done for the faculty. He's a very inspiring person, very enterprising, and very bright. So it's not our
You hear me? Oh, okay. I can hear you too.
Yes, so we have a citation to honor you. So do read. Hello, can you hear us? Is it better?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you. So we are going to we have a citation to honor you, and we are going to call the ESUG President to actually present the citation to you. Your brother is here to receive the citation on your behalf, but we know you have a message for our students. So.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. So he'll read the citation to you, and then your brother will receive it on your behalf. And then if you have any message for the students, you can go ahead.
Don't worry, you go. Go.
Okay. Can I hear you, please?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. Citation of honor. Okay. Citation of honor. Squadron leader Samuel Gyan Oppong, alumnus, School of Engineering Sciences, and pioneer president, Engineering Students Association of University of Ghana. The alumni of the School of Engineering Sciences and the entire University of Ghana community proudly stand to honor an exceptional leader, a trailblazing alumnus, and a distinguished officer of the Ghana Armed Forces, Squadron leader Samuel Gyan Oppong. Before ascending the ranks of military leadership, Squadron leader Oppong laid the foundation for student leadership at Ghana's premier engineering institution. As the very first president of the engineering students of the University of Ghana, he carried the immense weight of pioneering a new era. With visionary foresight, exceptional grit, and an unwavering commitment to excellence, he championed the interests of the student body, established the early governance frameworks, and fostered a profound sense of identity and pride among tomorrow's engineers. His leadership became the blueprint for all who followed. Transitioning from the lecture halls of Legon to the skies and tactical command of the Ghana Air Force, he has continuously exemplified the core values of discipline, duty, and honor. His rise to the rank of squadron leader is a testament to his tactical brilliance, administrative acumen, and steadfast dedication to national security and global peacekeeping. Squadron leader Samuel Gyan Oppong, your alma mater watches your journey with profound pride. You have beautifully bridged the rigorous analytical mind of an engineer with the elite fortitude of a military officer. For your pioneering leadership, your stellar service to the nation, and for flying the SES flag to the highest heights, we salute you.
Yes, so your brother is receiving it on your behalf, and do you have something to say to us again?
Yes, you can hear the voice of Professor Kaufmann. I hope this is not the national science program. I'm here.
Thank you so much, Doc. Thank you so much. I think I just have some few things to say. First of all, thank you so much for this honor done to me and to the students. I'm sure most of the students can hear me, right? But what I can say that 16 years ago, I was actually in your city. I think that apart from just being a normal player, you bring up an engineer. You have to always look at solving problems, and that is what we do as engineers. We look at solving problems all the time. So I want you to go ahead with the part of the OODA principle. I don't know whether you have heard about the OODA. So what I can say about it is that you have of the fact that you need to observe something, then you need to orient yourself, and you need to start and act accordingly. You are doing so much mathematics every day. You are doing so much mathematics every day. You will never think that you apply it in real life, but I'm telling you, you do apply it. It helps your critical thinking, your problem solving skills in everything that you are doing. And I'm telling you that the fact that I was trained as an engineer has helped me a lot. I can do things for my boss, and my boss will tell me, Oppong, this thing we are taking you through is. And you have done it in 15 minutes. It's just because of my engineering background. So take everything you are doing very, very serious because it's really applied. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much. And God will continue to rise the engineering of the University of Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Squadron leader Samuel Gyan Oppong. And so at this point, I think he's free to go. So we can take him off screen and continue with our homecoming celebration. Okay, so at this point, and I believe this is what all of you have been waiting for,